Hi, my name is Taline. I've been in OT college for 1 year. I'm in social science education and culture to become a teacher. Virtual writing tutor can be helpful for my future career because sometimes the students' parents only speak English. In this case, virtual writing tutor can make it easier for the teachers to write a letter to the parents without making any mistakes because it checks on the spelling and the grammar. In fact, this has a lot of good features for you too. In this screencast, I'll be showing you some of them. To start with, there's a small microphone on the top right corner of the screen. There. When you don't know how to write a word, you can click on it and then say it. Let me show you. So you click on it. Anonymous. That was my word. And now it gave it to me. And if you want to know the exact definition of the word, you can click on the dictionary on the bottom left corner of the screen. There. And now you can type it in the blank. And then click on Look It Up. Now it opened in a new tab. And here you have the definition. If you want the virtual writing tutor to spell the definition for you, you can copy the definition. There you go. And now we go on to the main page that we were and clear it. Now I'm gonna paste it in the text area. And here we have a speaker icon and you're gonna click on it so it can spell it for you.
Made or done by someone whose name is not known or not made public.
There. Another good feature about this program is that I can write a message to the parents or the guardians correctly. For example, I'm gonna write a sentence and then correct it. So I'm gonna clear it again and then write a sentence. So John didn't do his homework. There. First, I'm gonna check on the spelling. So I'll click on it. And now here, as you can see, it gave you a red underline, which means there's a mistake here. So, and as you can see now, I forgot the E after the N, so I'm gonna add that. And then make sure it was the correct answer. There. Now it's all good for the spelling. So we can pass on the grammar. For the grammar, it says that you have 2 mistakes. So let's read it first. So the first mistake, it tells you that the sentence did not start with an uppercase letter. And then the second one, it says that a proper name, months, cities, provinces, countries, languages, and nationalities should start with an uppercase, which basically means that the same mistake is repeated twice. And the J has to be upper letter because it's a proper name and it's the first word of the sentence. There. Now we're going to check on the grammar again. There you have it. You have 0 mistakes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Bye.